In this video, I will be showing you how to create a pivot table from multiple ranges or multiple sheets here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you just want to create a pivot table, but you have multiple ranges that you want to combine, here's how you can do it with this add-on. So this add-on is called an OmniPivot. You can add this by going to your extensions, go to add-ons, and get add-ons. Once you're in your Google Workspace Marketplace, go to the search bar and just type in OmniPivot. There we have it. And here it is. Just click on it. And once you get to this page, just click on Install right here. I've already installed mine. So I'm just going to close this. And you can actually find this extension right here with your extensions. Usually when you add something, it would be somewhere right here. But this time, it's already been added to our side panel. So if I open my side panel right here, there you have it. Here we have our OmniPivot. If I click on it, it will start off with this panel on the right side. So for this add-on, it actually has a free trial, and this free trial will run for 7 days. So here we already have our sheet names already added right here. So if there are some sheets that you don't want included in this pivot table, you can just deselect it like so. But if you want to include it, then just go ahead and click on it. Also, if your sheets or your range has the same header row, you can just select this one right here. But if it doesn't, then you can also deselect that. So I'm going to have everything selected. And once you're done with that, you can just click on right here where it will say Combine Active Ranges across your sheets. If I click on this, here we have our pivot table, and it is in a different sheet called Pivot. We can now start editing our pivot table where we can add our rows, our values. Let's close this off and open our pivot table editor. Click on this one, and here we have it. So here are the columns that we can add for either our rows or columns or our values. For our rows, we want the product. You can just add it there. There we have it. And our total for our values. So with that add-on, we were able to combine all of the data from these 4 different sheets right here into this one pivot table. And there you have it. You can now add or edit how your pivot table would look like right here. And that's how you can create a pivot table from multiple ranges or multiple sheets here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.